Opening toys. We all know this can be a problem due to these wonderful little wire ties on the back. Everybody struggles with these. We'll try some common household items to open these. Scissors really aren't strong enough to cut through the wires. So that doesn't. A Leatherman. You can try a Leatherman. You can pull and pry on it. You really can't get it. So you finally get in there to the wire cutter, which can cut the wire. Well, but you know what? It won't cut the wire. Ah, finally cut it. Now I can grab it. There, finally. Okay, now I got 2 hands. So, a knife, of course, is gonna do. Ooh, just about got myself there. I really did. Just about get myself there. Then I can pull. Okay, I got this and that. Or there's a new tool that should be on the market. We're codenaming the Toyminator, but it's very simple. You just grab the knot, it cuts, maintains control, and you have the wire in one motion, one pull. Reach in, through the tape, through everything. Grab it. You have. Grab it, pull, you have the wire. All in one stroke. The toy is free.